Hi, I'm going to show you how to reattach the seat pad on a Graco high chair. First, place the seat pad on the high chair in the correct position like this. Then turn it over. The first thing you want to attach are the two little connectors right here. To feed the end of each connector through the slot in the high chair, you'll need to hold the end flat like this, otherwise it would be hard for it to go through the thin slot. While keeping the end of the connector flat, you want to push it into the slot. Now the first one just went through. Do the same thing with the other strap. Next, place the two lower straps through the corresponding slots in the seat pad. Then place the two upper straps through the corresponding slots in the seat pad. Place the crotch strap through the first slot in the seat pad down here. Next, let's attach the two connectors down here. To do that, you'll need to hold and pull this tab on the side to lift the seat up, then slide the connector in. Do the same thing in the connector on the other side. Next, snap in each of the two buttons on the side. The last step is to put the top of the pad over the seat. There, we have reattached the seat pad on the Graco high chair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.